Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Esponja Magica para el Cuerpo is probably one of the most versatile and effective tools you can add to your daily bathing routine, transforming your shower experience from mundane to magnificent with its unique exfoliating properties that promise to leave your skin feeling incredibly smooth, revitalized, and free from dead skin cells, making it an essential item for anyone seeking a deeper, more refreshing clean. Number 5. MainBasics Bath Shower Loofah Sponge Pouf, set of 3, Airy Blossom. Elevate your daily shower routine with our premium loofah sponges. They create a rich lather for a truly invigorating cleansing experience. Achieve softer, smoother skin with gentle exfoliation. These poofs effectively remove dead skin cells, revealing a radiant complexion. Designed to work with your favorite body wash, they produce abundant suds. Enjoy a spa-like feel right in your own bathroom. This set includes 3 beautiful airy blossom poofs, perfect for the whole family. Keep one in each shower for ultimate convenience. Crafted for durability, these body scrubbers are made to last. Enjoy consistent performance and a refreshing clean, wash after wash. Make them a part of your everyday self-care ritual. They are gentle enough for daily use, leaving your skin feeling refreshed and revitalized. What we like? This set offers a gentle yet effective cleanse for everyday use. If you prefer a soft touch and need multiple sponges for convenience, this is the perfect choice for your daily shower routine. What people say. The mesh texture is soft enough for daily use but still does a great job exfoliating and leaving skin feeling clean and refreshed. The loofahs are tightly woven and hold their shape nicely even after repeated use. The attached hanging loop is convenient for drying them after a shower. These MainBasics shower loofah sponge poofs are great. They hold up really well in the shower and make a nice lather with body wash. They rinse clean and drip dry nicely by hanging from the attached ribbon. Number 4. Sunny Health and Fitness Smart Row and Ride. Enhance your squat technique with this compact machine. It allows for a greater range of motion while engaging your entire body. It's a trusted, all-in-one solution for both cardio and strength training. Achieve a powerful, full-body workout with a single movement. This ergonomic machine effectively targets your glutes, quads, hamstrings, core, back, and shoulders for low-impact training right at home. Connect your trainer with the free SunnyFit app for guided workouts and real-time tracking. Access AI-powered plans, explore global workout tours, and join an exclusive community led by expert trainers. Tailor your workout with multiple pin lock positions, offering deep, mid-level, or neutral squat options. This versatility ensures a balanced routine that fits your unique strength, flexibility, and fitness goals. Challenge yourself with 3 built-in resistance bands, providing up to 66 pounds of total resistance. This allows you to easily scale your workouts, whether you're a beginner or an advanced athlete. This compact machine conveniently folds for easy storage, making it ideal for home gyms, apartments, or any small space. It's lightweight and simple to move when not in use. Engineered for strength and stability, this trainer supports up to 330 pounds. It's built for long-term performance and reliability, suitable for all fitness levels. What we like? Achieve a comprehensive cardio and strength workout from home. If you're looking for a machine that targets multiple muscle groups and offers guided digital experiences, this is your ideal fitness companion. What people say. The sponge is effective for exfoliating and leaving skin smooth. It creates a rich lather with a small amount of body wash. The durable material holds up well to regular use. Number 3. Mr. Clean Magic Eraser Original Cleaning Pads. Experience a superior clean with our powerful cleaning pads. They are designed to be 3x stronger than leading all-purpose sprays for tougher messes. This versatile cleaner tackles dirt all around your home. Use it as a surface cleaner, wall cleaner, or even to fight marks on doors and light switches. Achieve a powerful clean using just water. There's no need for additional harsh cleaning agents to get the job done. Discover different forms available to suit your specific cleaning needs. We offer options like ultra thick, ultra foamy, and extra durable. Say goodbye to a cabinet full of cleaners. This one product can replace your bathroom cleaner, all-purpose spray, and scrubbing pads. What we like? Tackle tough messes with minimal effort and no harsh chemicals. If you need a quick and effective solution for various household cleaning tasks, this is the go-to product for a sparkling clean home. What people say. Removes tough dirt, grease, and marks from walls, floors, countertops, appliances, and more. Activate the cleaning power with water to lift away stubborn stains without the need for additional cleaning chemicals. The unique micro-scrubbing foam works like an eraser to remove scuffs, crayon marks, soap scum, and grime. Number 2. Dermasuri Deep Exfoliating Glove. Tired of dull skin? Discover the power of deep exfoliation with our revolutionary glove. It's designed to reveal your smoothest, most radiant skin yet. Crafted with advanced Korean skincare technology, this glove gently buffs away dead skin cells. Achieve a thorough cleanse without irritation, leaving your skin feeling refreshed. Say goodbye to rough patches and uneven texture. This powerful tool helps to buff away dead skin, promoting a smoother, clearer complexion. Use it in the shower to transform your entire body. It's ideal for tackling areas prone to dryness or roughness, ensuring soft, supple skin everywhere. Uncover the radiant skin hidden beneath. Regular use helps to improve skin texture and tone, giving you a healthy, natural glow. Incorporate this essential step into your routine. It's a simple yet effective way to achieve the smooth, clear skin you desire, inspired by Korean beauty secrets. What we like. Experience a revitalizing skin treatment that buffs away dead skin cells. If you're seeking smoother, brighter skin and want to address concerns like keratosis pilaris, this glove is designed for you. What people say. It completely removes the dead cell's skin to reveal a smooth, rejuvenated skin. It leaves my arm feel nice, shiny, and clean. This Dermasuri did deep exfoliate the first time I used it. After that nothing. It has not exfoliated anything since. It's like it's only good for one-time use. Number 1. HartFelt Bath Sponges, Pack of 6. Discover the HartFelt Bath Sponges, designed for a gentle yet effective cleanse. Made in the USA, they offer a superior cleaning experience. Our oval body wash scrubbers are perfect for exfoliating your skin. They help to remove dead skin cells, leaving your body feeling refreshed. Reach every part of your body with ease. These sponges are ideal for cleaning your body, back, and arms, ensuring a thorough and invigorating wash. Enjoy a clean that's free from harsh chemicals. Our body sponges are made with your well-being in mind, providing a natural way to cleanse. This pack includes 6 bath sponges, offering great value. You'll have plenty on hand for daily use and to keep your skin feeling its best. What we like. Refresh your skin with a natural exfoliating experience. If you desire a clean and revitalized body, especially for hard-to-reach areas, and prefer products made domestically, this sponge pack is an excellent option. What people say. They do a great job scrubbing less sensitive areas, keeping them smooth. They're so sturdy, you can actually throw them in the wash a couple of times to extend their life. Scrubs off soap scum or hairspray so easily, with no damage to surface. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.